We out in Westfield Topanga, and we got the homie. We got Bossco.
What's going on?
Let's go see what's up here. Starting off at Foot Locker. Let's go. And this is the location where I did get my tech fleece for hella cheap, but yeah, no 70% off. Oh man, this makes me sad. Makes me sad. And this price ain't bad. $80 ain't bad. Almost 50% off, but yeah, that's not. I think I got mine for what, $42 or something here. But yeah, they got tech fleece for $110 and $80. Jordan section right here. Nothing too crazy. They do got the 2 3s right here. I haven't seen these up close too often. What do you guys think about these 2 3s? Obviously, it has a 2 upper, 3 midsole, outsole, combination of the Jordan 2 and Jordan 3. What are your thoughts on these? $160, so cheaper than a regular retro. What do you guys think? And they got the Chicago colorway right here. I haven't gotten any of these. I haven't gotten any of the Fusion ones. But yeah, they're here. And then we also got the RMs right here. What do you guys think about the Jordan 4 RMs? These going for $150. Not much in the Nike basketball sections. Prices, oh, they're all right. Nothing crazy. Nothing new right here, to be really honest. And got the Team Jordans right here. Some of the mids. After seeing some of this, I keep talking about the Foot Locker app, but every time I come to the Foot Lockers and I see a shoe that I've seen at the Foot Locker outlet, like, I was like, really? Like, I can get this for $40 at the Foot Locker outlet? Holy cow. In the grade school section, I'm just looking for stuff that we haven't seen. Look at this. Oh, the MB4s. These are the MB4s. I have not seen these. Are these men's or these? These are 7.5, so MB4s in the men's sizing right here. Okay, these are dope, dude. I'm gonna be honest, these, I guess they do look like an evolution of the 3s. The good thing is, if you like the MBs, the 1s, the 2s, 3s, they are like slight evolutions. But yeah, this one, that looks nice. I kind of like that one. They still have a couple of the 3s left over. Still got a 1 right here, newer colorway. And they got the LaFrance right here. Do got the LaFrance. This is his casual line right here. They got the patent leather in red, and then they also got this one, which we did see at the Foot Locker outlet, which is freaking insane. Maybe no, I didn't grab it because I was broke. I remember why I didn't get it now. But this is nice. Got some nubuck leather on it. Obviously, that's how it looks when it gets dirty, but I really like that one. Have you seen the MB4s?
Yeah. I actually did a review on those. Not a bad
Oh,
shoe.
you did? Did I miss that review?
Yeah.
Damn.
It's a shooter size fit. It's not a bad shoe though. I mean,
Oh, okay.
It's a lot going on here if you're into that, but I think the layout for the shoe, gives you a chance for some really good colorway down the road. You know what I mean?
Yeah, and this is nice. This is nice. I wasn't a fan of a couple of them, and
Yeah.
this one I'm definitely digging. And then we do have a shoe palace right here. But what's going on? What's going on here? They have a private event? Ooh, that might be interesting. And we got Bossco doing his thing. That's a behind the scenes right there, Bossco. You get to see what he's doing. But that's how he gets the different angles and stuff like that. Bossco's half Asian too. Now that he has a selfie stick from. All right, haven't seen this pro image in a while. Bossco, I don't think has been in here a minute. Okay, let's go look around. Then y'all know I'm gonna be checking out the clearance section right in the back. And I think it's about 50% off most of the stuff there. Let's see what teams are the most popular with the NFL right now. We got all the Cowboys stuff right there. We got Raiders jerseys right there. And Adams, is he going to get traded? Is he going to get traded or what? 25% off his jerseys. Couple Eagles and then Niners right here. Damn, Los Angeles is just a Niners and Cowboys city, huh? Damn, dude. We got what, 10? Oh no, we got 9 because that's a Mahomes. So we got 9 Niner jerseys. We got 11 different Cowboys jerseys. So dang, dude. Cowboys got the most fans here, huh? I'm curious to see if they added anything onto this section right here, the sales section. Do got starter Raiders jackets right here. Devontae Adams really gonna get traded? That's just crazy. That is crazy. But yeah, do got these for $75. I think these are normally $150, so about 50 off. Got these Steelers team apparel women's jersey. This looks like a women's, right? That dude's wearing this, right? Yeah, these are going for $23. Okay. Got Udius jerseys right here. 165 still. So yeah, 50% off. Got car jerseys going for free, or they should be free. $17.50. And they got Elliott jerseys. Ain't nobody looking for Elliott, right? Backup, running back, going for 20. Women's Lakers shirts right here, $18. Okay. The kids Elliott jersey right here. Like I said, this should be hella cheap. Yeah, 43. Okay. The kids large. All right, let's see what's going on with this Champs. None of the Nike basketball on sale. The hell's going on, dude? Everything's been on sale everywhere, right? And we've seen these for 50 off at the Foot Locker outlets. I told him we need to go to the Foot Locker outlet ASAP. Like,
for sure.
He hasn't really been. I think we went one time a while back.
Yeah.
We need to go to the Foot Locker outlet ASAP because they have a good number of this stuff on sale. And then I don't even see a 70% off rack here. What the hell? I'm telling Bossco about how this was on the 70% off rack at Foot Locker. It's on the 50% off here. They had all the tech fleece. They had pretty much all the tech fleece for 70 off at Foot Locker. They have it for 50 off here. I don't understand. I swear Foot Locker's screwing over.
They both flex stores, so they should work together. You know what I mean?
But yeah,
what we doing this season, y'all? What we doing this season?
Oh my God,
What's
dude!
happening this year?
How did we not upgrade nobody? How did we not upgrade nobody? How did Lakers not upgrade nobody?
Well,
like,
they added Bronny.
Huh?
They added Bronny.
Okay, like I said, how did we not upgrade? How did we not upgrade? They got some Converse going for $30, and some of y'all Converse heads, y'all love Converse, right? $30, definitely a solid deal. This is a smaller size right here. I was gonna say that one's huge, but they got a couple of them, or a few of them, going for $30. Classic colorways too, so you really can't go wrong with those. Retail price $60 on Converse, kind of crazy in my opinion, but you know, this is my opinion. What the hell do I know, right? I don't really wear Converse like that. $65 for the mids right here. Finally starting to see the Infinity Run 4s. Starting to see these on sale finally. And then the Brook Revels. These ain't bad. These are pretty comfortable. Not max cushion or anything, but not bad. The Ghost, you get a little more cushioning on these bad boys, but these are retail at $140. You got the Ghost Max. This is the first time I've ever seen this. This does look like a max cushion shoe. Marathon runner maybe. $100 for these. That's pretty solid. Normally $150. Glycerins. These have been their max cushion shoes before, right? Before those. What are those called? The Ghost Max before those. So. Then got some Pulse 15s right here. These the Nimbus 25s. The Nimbus midsole always been that big? Holy cow. Nova Blast 4s right here with their Fresh Foam Blast Plus. And ID Zeros right here. Some big time runners. Okay, this one's also on sale. This Nimbus 25. What's up with Champs lately, man? Champs has been pretty mediocre, huh?
Yeah, the sales ain't really there, and the selection's not crazy either. Like, you find stuff way more at Foot Locker than you do Champs.
And they barely get any releases now.
Yeah.
Like the Jordan releases, they barely get any. The Kobe's, no.
Yeah, at all Champs locations too, it's like that. I don't understand it. They're both flex. You would think they work together, but apparently not.
It's like Foot Locker. They're like, yeah, we need to keep all the good stuff. Give Champs the leftovers.
Yeah, for real.
I don't know.
It seems that way. Is it like that in your city? Let me know. Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, because we were just complaining about that. We're like, what the hell? All right, let's go see what's with this Borders right here. Bossco checking out the Dunks right there, the SB Dunks. Also checking out that iShod. And they do have a nice little clearance section. 440s? I've never even seen these. The 440s, kind of like boots and skate shoes put into one. Got a couple of the 880s right here, the New Balance 880s. 50% off. 50% off. 110. Oh, this one's only 20% off, but this one's 50 off, as well as this one right here, wheat colorway, and these are some 1010s. Then SB Dunks, they have 4 different colorways. We've been seeing these. This material is so nice. Nubuck on this one. This one is a mixture of different materials. I don't even know how to explain it. I think one is a suede. I don't know what that green is. Kind of a nylon type of thing. I don't know, some sort of synthetic material. And they got the deconstruct highs up top. And then Duke got the latest dunk. Is that the box? It doesn't come in that box, does it? Okay, I was like, that's the dopest Nike box I've seen in a while. Okay, Duke got those bad boys. That's pretty cool. They got SB Bruins. They got stuff on sale. 50% off. Lakai's right here. They got a nice little sales section. Not as big as Northers, but they got a little something. And they even got Mitchell and Ness right here. Got a Shaq 96, 97 jersey. Man, I freaking love these Laker jerseys right here. Also got Iverson in the back. This is one of the OG ones, 97, 98. I don't have one of those. And also got Kings jerseys right here. This one's pretty cool. 110, like a Kings baseball type of jersey. That's pretty dope. And got Raiders, looks like a practice jersey or a warm-up type of thing. That's pretty dope. Okay. Also got a Lakers warm-up right here as well. Of course, they're all going for retail. And yeah, I don't really pay retail for stuff, but yeah, these are dope, dude. If y'all are ballers, y'all are ballers, y'all got the dough like that, that's what's up. Dude got JD Sports. I think this is the last store since Shoe Palace is closed. Still got the Mochas, the Mocha ones. Wait, am I messing this up? Oh shit, okay. Dude got the Mocha ones. These ain't bad, they're not bad. Material is nice. I heard people say, yeah, it's kind of whatever. Like, material's nice, dude. I'm not gonna lie. That is pretty nice. Did not jump on these because I wasted money on other sneakers. It might be too loud. What are your thoughts? What do you think about the Mochas?
Mocha's definitely a good shoe with good quality. I didn't have to have them, but they are really nice. I did a review on them. I like the quality, and I think down the road people are gonna come back for this shoe, but I didn't need to have them.
So make sure you guys check out Bossco's review on this. There's going to be a link to that review, the specific review, as well as a link to his channel. So make sure you guys check that out. Yeah, I think these are dope, dude. I think they are dope. Like I said, I've wasted money on other sneakers, so I kind of have to skip these. It wasn't as good as it was back in the day where I could just grab everything, man. I'm not going to lie, dude. Bossco showing that these glow in the dark. Yeah, that's great. We just did the eye test where you go. Does it show? Does it show? Does that work on YouTube? Does that work? I don't know if it works on YouTube. But yeah, that is pretty dope. But yeah, glow in the dark shoes go for $70. Can you believe it? Huh? Back in the day, we'd do anything for glow in the dark dunks, right? And yeah, but yeah, times definitely have changed, man. Got other dunks on sale. But y'all ain't really hyped on dunks no more, right? Got the Florida Gator dunks right here. You got the Waffle House dunks right here. That's for everybody in the South, right? Oh, I miss Waffle House. I freaking love Waffle House, dude. Just so good. The people at the Waffle House, just as much fun as the food itself. But yeah, I got dunks and dunks. And then got more dunks at a reduced section right here. Then of course got Jordan 1s. And what are these? The Lunar? What are these? The Lunar Roams? Already on sale. I feel like these just came out too. Got the Club C vintage right here. Oh, I was like, is this on sale? Don't tell me that's on sale. No, it's just the last size, I guess. Classic nylons. Oh, grade school. I was like, what? Classic nylons go for that low? But yeah, it is grade school. And then Duke got Jordan 1 low OGs right here. Okay. This is a men's size. So Bossco was telling me this JD does not have much of a basketball section, and this is Jordan basketball right here. Yeah, that you're right, huh? And are those real basketball shoes?
I mean,
technically, are those even real basketball?
not really.
Not really, huh? Those are all casual, technically. What the hell? Bossco's right. I've been here several times. I never noticed they don't have any basketball shoes. All casual.
Couple on clearance.
Yeah. Oh, you're right, huh? Got a couple KDs right there. And then Duke got, wait, how much is this one? Curry's for 85. That's not bad. Curry 11's for 85. I missed that one. And then these, but that's it. Apparently, fools in the valley. Apparently, we don't play hoops. Apparently, we don't play hoops out here. What the hell? And then Bossco and I heard of a little special special event going on here. We are at a Shoe Palace event, or the Shoe Palace event. And we got some drinks, yo. We got some drinks. Yeah, good shit. Cheers, fool. VP of operations right here. Doing the, look at the group. It goes all the way up there. That's what a line. Wow. Finally in the Shoe Palace. Alright, I'm getting pretty tipsy, which you haven't seen me in one of them. Look at this. They got macaroons. They got a little dessert table. What the hell? I had to ask one of the workers. I was like, what does this get me? This is a VIP. What does it get me? They gave out some champagne. Like the high life of champagne.